Meaning of garden salad.
Garden salad.
Garden salad.
Garden salad.
Garden salad. A garden salad typically refers to a type of mixed green salad that contains a variety of raw vegetables, such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and radishes. It is often served as a side dish or as a healthy main course, and can be accompanied by a dressing of your choice. The ingredients in a garden salad are usually fresh and colorful, providing a combination of flavors and textures that make it both satisfying and nutritious. Overall, a garden salad is a delicious way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet and enjoy a refreshing and wholesome meal.